Hi, today we will solve the 26th problem, 26th Leetcode problem, remove duplicates from sorted array. And we will solve it in JavaScript. So what is the description of the problem? Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place, such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Then return the number of unique elements in nums. Consider the number of unique elements of nums to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain the unique elements in the order they were present in nums initially. The remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of nums. Return k. Well, and here are two examples. Let's take the second example because it has more elements. The array is bigger. So let's discuss how we will solve this problem. Here is the required output. So probably we can go through the loop through this array, take every element and compare with the last unique one. So here we will show how we will work with this array. So the first unique element is 1, and we will copy this value to the second place, to the place with index equals to 1. Then we go through, all these elements are the same, and the second next element is 2. Then we go to 3 till 3, and the last element is 4. So at the end our array will look like this one. And here underscores means that it doesn't matter what is on this place, on these places. So how we will do? So we can store our unique element that equals to the first element of the array equals to 0. And the next thing that we will store is the index of our last unique element. And let's take k because our array has, our description has uses k for this for the variable that we need to return. Well, so k equals to 0. Let's discuss how our solution will look like. So we will go through loop. Just a second. Let's call this variable inside for loop as usual as I equals to but not to 0 but to 1, because the element on the first place, on the place with the index equals to 0, will remain in any case will remain here in this place. Then we can compare I with, it should be less than the size of the array length, and of course should I++. And what should be inside the loop? Inside loop we compare, so we compare the current element of the array nums I with the last unique element. It should be like greater than the last unique element. And if it happens, we decrease k, decrease index of the last unique element. We so our unique become equal to this new equal element, new unique element, and we need to move the value of this unique element onto the cath place, to place where the index equals to k. Like this. And what is important next? We should return the number of the unique elements. But so we have k. K is the index of the last unique element, but the number of unique elements is greater by 1 than the last than the index of the last unique elements. Pretty that's all. So we can just take our code here like this, and of course we can take our variables here. Just a second. Here. Well, that's it. We can check. Here is the algorithm. Let's check if it works fine. It is accepted, and both cases are correct. Return correct values. So we can submit. Let's submit. Well, we see that everything is fine. Our solution is correct, and it beats 100% of submissions. Thank you for watching. Let's see in the next video.